Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the next content of the depreciations. Today I will tell you how to record the depreciations with the help of preparing the provision without making the disposal and with making the disposal asset account. So you may see the diminishing balance system already I have informed consisting with the three content when the provision is taken like the asset account is maintained, the plant account is maintained, and now the provision for depreciation account is needed to prepare, and third is plant disposal account is needed to prepare. But if you don't want to prepare the plant disposal account, the content of the plant disposal is to be entered into the plant account. So you may see here the same question I have taken as earlier we are discussing. Like you may see the first is the two bank is listed here with the same question 9 lakh. Now the machinery is purchased. Now the when a machinery is purchased, the balance is to be forwarded because the no further detail of the plant is related with. Now the second is on the first year, then the depreciation will be charged as like the 1,50,000 and the 7,50,000. Two parts are there. So the 10 months it will be taken like the 12,500 plus 62,500. 12,500 for the 10 months on the 1,50,000 machinery, and now the 62,500 on the 7,50,000 machinery sold and unsold part. Total value of the depreciation 75,000. It is to be forwarded now to the next year. It is to be forwarded. That's why I think this is a misprinting. Now the balance carried down in place. We have the balance brought down to the credit side with the 75,000. Next year we don't have any purchase and sale. That's why the depreciation is to be charged with the full value. By depreciations with the amount of 13,750, how will you calculate? You have to calculate this figure. First is you have 1,50,000, then minus the 12,500 the first year depreciation, and on the remaining amounts you have to calculate the full value of the depreciation by applying the rate. In the same manner, 7,50,000 and then minus the 62,500 out of that, then balance will come, and on that balances you have to apply the rate of interest. In the same manner, the diminishing balance system, the system will be applied. And now come to the next one is the balance is forwarded to the next. And now the depreciation you may see here by balance brought down to the third year 1,57,500. It is coming by forwarding it. And now the depreciation for the 8 month will be charged the machinery which is going to be sold. That means 8,250. The value of depreciation in any case we are not changing. Only the techniques are going to change with and without preparing depreciation provision. Now next is the by depreciation will be applied on the remaining machinery. How will you apply? Just wait. But first of all we have to sold the machinery. When the machinery is sold, you may see to the plant account on the debit side with the amount of the 34,500. So it means the machinery sold value is to be transferred first if you are not preparing the disposal, then to the plant account. Otherwise, if you are preparing the disposal, so this value will be shifted to the disposal account. So you have to see if you are preparing. So this is the figures now. If you don't prepare disposal, then to the plant the value is same. But if account is not there disposal, then to the plant account. Or if the disposal account is maintained, then it is to be shifted to the disposal account. How will you calculate the 34,500? You have to see with effect from the first year to the last year the total value of the depreciation. You may see here the first year 12,500, in the second year plus 13,750, in the third year 8,250. That is the value of the depreciation of the machinery sold. Make the total, and this total is 34,500 is to be shifted to the plant or to the disposal as according to the requirement. And then this one is to be referring to transfer. The depreciation remaining is to be calculated. How to calculate? Makes the total of 1,57,500 and makes plus 8,250 and deduct the 34,500. Then answer is coming 6,18,750. On this value you have to apply the rate. This is the value of your remaining unsold machinery. So this is the 61,857 on the 6,18,750. But the new machinery is also purchased on that day. So that is the new depreciation of 75 for the 3 months is also be charged for the same. And now this is to be the need of calculate now, and now the balance is to be forwarded. Now come to the plant account, and the plant account is the buy sale value. Bank is means the sale value you have to list. By provision for depreciation means the shifting amount of the sold value from the provision is to be listed here, and then see the difference with the help of the 1,50,000, and then profit and loss will be derived, and then the new machinery is to be listed, and then last the balance is to be shown. Now I am taking the last year aspect with the help of to show you the disposal account. Now you may see I have forwarded the last year balance, same balance 9 lakh to the plant, and the balance carried down brought down 1,57,000 related with the provision. And now disposal account is not coming as a balance. Now what do you have to see? The first is from the plant, the value of sold machinery is to be shifted there by disposal with the amount of 1,50,000. So that's why it is coming to the debit side of the plant account with the amount of 1,50,000. But the second is now the provision for depreciation is to be shifted from uh, the provision to the disposal. Like you may see here 34,500 is shifted. So it means out of the plan the cost is shifting, and from the provision the total value of till today, till the value of the sale with date, it is shifted to the disposal. Now the write down the sale value like 60,000 is given by bank, and see the difference. If difference is like here, the credit side is short called as loss on sale of plant, that is 55,500. Sometime it may be gain, so you have to close the plant and disposal in the as a simple person, just you have to do all the aspect into the provision for depreciation, and you have to shift the total depreciation of the sold machinery when it is sold on the day and to the plant or to the disposal. Maximum calculations are standing to the provision for depreciations. So I think these are the contents now which you should make with the help of the practices related with the provision and the without provision aspects. Thank you.